Hey, Walter here, Motto Mortgage Strategic. Justin asked me to record these each week to give our realtor partners updates on where mortgage rates are and where the market is. So let's dive into it. So the CPI report came out in September and the inflation report came out about 0.4% higher than expected. They're still aiming for a 2% year over year inflation. They haven't hit that target yet. It seems like the board is like 6 members thinking they should pause rate hike, 6 members thinking they need one more rate hike to hit that target. And so November 1st decision is going to play a big factor in whether or not we see interest rates come down the end of this year, or what I think is more likely to happen, that they do one more rate hike, hit their target, and interest rates come down early next year. As far as the health of the local real estate market, all of the experts that I see are forecasting that we're going to end 2023 with about a 3 to 6% year over year rise in the appreciation of homes. That's even higher here hyperlocally in markets like Fayetteville, Raleigh, Sanford, Lillington, where we've still seen tremendous growth and an influx of people moving into the area. It's all really, really impressive to see that even though interest rates doubled, in 2022 compared to where they were before, that the market is still trending up. For nationwide average interest rates, right now conventional is in the high 7s to low 8s without any points, but most people are buying half a point to a point to buy that down into the low 7s to mid 7 range. For government loans, VA, FHA, we're seeing rates in the mid 7 range depending on credit score, and most people are buying that down with half a point or a discount point into the high 6s. If you're going under contract today, I would float your rate and wait it out during escrow. It's likely that we're going to see some days coming soon where it'd be a better opportunity to lock and rates dip a little bit lower. And with the alerts that we give your buyers, we'll make sure that they know when to lock. For a marketing idea for you, it's all about setting yourself up for more listings in 2024. Your past client database is a treasure trove of opportunity if you can create conversations with them. And those conversations need to start now in the fourth quarter. The more conversations you have with past clients about their home value in the fourth quarter of this year, the more sales and listings you're going to have next year as we see that gap in terms of their current interest rate and where interest rates are going get smaller. So how do you start more conversations? Here's a strategy. I would go to their address on Zillow, one of your past clients' addresses. I would screenshot their Zestimate and I'd send them a text that just says, hey, I was doing some research on home values in your area. I thought about you. I saw your Zestimate. I've got my thoughts on what that, on that Zestimate. What are your thoughts on that Zestimate? And watch the conversations begin. More conversations lead to more sales. As always, get your clients to us as early in the process as possible. Throw us into a group text with them so we can take a mortgage application early in the process and start talking strategy with them.